If the Empower app won't complete a bank switch, the issue is usually caused by a failed account verification, an interrupted connection to your bank, or an outdated app version rather than a problem with your bank account itself. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot the bank switch process and what to do if Empower still won't let you change or reconnect your account. Start by checking whether the issue is with the app or your bank. Open your bank's official mobile app or website and make sure you can sign in normally. If your online banking isn't working, fix that first before trying to reconnect it to Empower. Next, update the Empower app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store, install any available updates, then completely close and reopen the app. Software updates often include fixes for connection problems and account linking issues. Now verify your login credentials. If you're connecting an external bank account, enter the same username and password you use for your bank's online banking. If you've recently changed your password, reconnect the account using the new credentials. Also complete any two-factor authentication requests, security questions, or verification codes your bank requires. Empower cannot finish linking your account until those security checks are approved. If you already attempted a bank switch and it failed, remove the incomplete bank connection if the option is available. Then begin the linking process again from the start. A fresh authorization often fixes expired permissions or interrupted connection sessions. Your internet connection can also affect the process. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi and retrieve the bank switch. An unstable connection may interrupt the secure verification before it finishes. You should also review your Empower account information. Make sure your name, email address, phone number, and other account details are accurate and up to date. If Empower requests identity verification documents, complete that process before attempting another bank switch. Check your email and in-app notifications as well. Empower may require additional confirmation before approving changes to your linked financial accounts. Missing those requests can prevent the switch from completing. If every step has been completed and the problem still continues, contact Empower support through the app. Include the exact error message, explain whether you're linking a new bank or replacing an existing one, and mention the point where the process stops. That information helps support identify the issue much faster. To summarize, confirm your bank account is working. Update the Empower app. Reconnect your bank with the correct credentials. Complete all required security verification, and restart the bank switch if needed. Those steps solve most Empower bank switch problems. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Empower troubleshooting guides and financial app tips.